Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a next level of gamification. This is a mobile tank controlled by Raspberry Pi and a motor driver. And this is a Unity game running on this laptop. This game has a small tank and this tank is controlled by keys, move forward or backward. So when I move forward, my tank moves forward, and when I move backward, my tank gets backward, and when I press brake and then it stops. So this time I added a new feature to my tank. In this, I added an eye to my mobile tank. This eye is an iPhone 7 running a ARKit app. That ARKit app recognizes an image and create a hurdle in this game. So let's get started. Let's give a hurdle to this plot. And when I remove it, it disappears. Image comes. Let's show some. Yeah. Okay, this is a mobile tank. Okay, let's see the components. This is the power bank. This is the Raspberry Pi 3 model 3. Okay, B plus. This is the motor driver. This is the 18650 batteries, and this is the iPhone screen. That is that.